And here are the crypto top headlines. Ripple's ODL rebrands to Ripple Payments for a more user-friendly experience. Next, Google Cloud is now a validator on the Polygon network. Also, Binance versus SEC. Paradigm files an Amicus brief accuses SEC of regulatory overreach. Plus, Fireblocks acquires BlockFold to expand tokenization capabilities. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you. Our first top headline, Ripple's ODL rebrands to Ripple Payments for a more user-friendly experience. In an effort to streamline its services and enhance accessibility, Ripple has rebranded its ODL, or On-Demand Liquidity, section on its official website to Ripple Payments. This move comes as the company seeks to make its cross-border payment solution more user-friendly while maintaining its core functionalities. Introduced in 2018, Ripple's ODL has long been recognized as a pivotal offering providing instantaneous and cost-effective solutions for cross-border transactions, especially favored by financial institutions. Leveraging XRP as a bridge currency, ODL has played a critical role in simplifying the complexities of international money transfers. Meanwhile, the recent removal of the ODL section from Ripple's website raised eyebrows among market participants and investors, with users questioning the motive behind this change. Emi Yoshikawa, Ripple's VP for Strategy and Operations, promptly responded to these concerns, shedding light on the situation. Contrary to the belief that ODL was eliminated, Yoshikawa clarified that it had been rebranded as Ripple Payments. She further noted that the primary objective of this rebranding is to make it more understandable to individuals less familiar with cryptocurrency jargon. ODL is a word that is difficult to understand at first glance for outsiders, so we have decided to consolidate it into the term Ripple Payments. This is a trend in the transition from crypto-like jargon to more mainstream, Emi said in a September 15th post on X. Notably, despite the rebrand, Ripple Payments will continue to function exactly as ODL did, she clarified. Emi said the rebrand was about simplifying and facilitating mainstream adoption without altering the fundamental services provided. That said, amidst these changes, Ripple's ODL partnership network has continued to flourish with a presence in over 55 countries worldwide today. Renowned financial institutions like SBI, MoneyGram, and People have embraced Ripple's payment services with open arms. One notable success story in this expansive network is the impressive surge in ODL usage reported by Tranglo, one of Ripple's largest partners in the Asia-Pacific region. According to a Monday report, Tranglo witnessed a staggering 1,700% increase in ODL usage, surpassing all expectations in 2022. The transaction volume on ODL soared from 53 million in 2021 to an astounding 970 million in 2022, and it has further ballooned to a remarkable $2 billion in the first half of 2023. Tranglo's achievement reflects the remarkable growth and resilience of Ripple's partnership ecosystem, especially in the face of regulatory challenges and market uncertainties. The growth of Ripple's payment solution can be attributed to its enhanced scalability, cost-effectiveness, and unmatched speed. That said, the rebranding initiative underscores the company's commitment to making its services accessible to everyone without altering the core functionalities that have made Ripple a pivotal player in cross-border transactions. While the name has changed, the commitment to innovation and user-friendly solutions remains unwavering in Ripple's journey towards transforming global finance. Our next top headline, Google Cloud is now a validator on the Polygon network. According to Polygon, the same infrastructure used to power YouTube and Gmail will help secure its network. Polygon Labs announced on September 29th that Google Cloud has joined the Polygon Proof-of-Stake network as a validator. Google Cloud joins over 100 other validators verifying transactions on its Layer 2 Ethereum network. Per a post from Polygon Labs on the X platform announcing the partnership, the same infrastructure used to power @YouTube and @Gmail is now helping to secure the fast, low-cost Ethereum for all Polygon protocol. Validators on the Polygon network help secure the network by operating nodes, staking MATIC, and participating in proof-of-stake consensus mechanics. The Google Cloud Singapore account confirmed on X that Google Cloud was now serving as a validator on the Polygon Proof-of-Stake network, adding that it would be contributing to the network's collective security, governance, and decentralization alongside 100+ other validators. While many of Polygon's validators are anonymous, Google Cloud joins Germany's Deutsche Telekom, one of Europe's largest telecom firms, on the network. For its part, Google Cloud describes its relationship with Polygon Labs as an ongoing strategic collaboration. Alongside the announcement that it would be joining the network as a validator, Google Cloud Asia Pacific also released a YouTube video titled "Polygon Labs is Solving for a Web3 Future for All." Polygon Labs recently launched its Polygon 2.0 initiative to update the Polygon network. As Cointelegraph reported, Phase 0, the current phase, features 3 Polygon improvement proposals, 17 through 19. Polygon Improvement Proposal 17 involves transitioning from MATIC to the new token POL, while Polygon Improvement Proposals 18 and 19 address supporting endeavors such as the technical description of POL and updating gas tokens. According to Polygon, these changes are slated to begin taking place in Q4 of 2023. Our next top headline, Binance versus SEC. Paradigm files an amicus brief, accuses SEC of regulatory overreach. Crypto research firm Paradigm has filed an amicus brief in the ongoing court case between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Binance, its U.S. affiliate Binance.US, and the exchange's global CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ. Back in June, the U.S. top securities watchdog launched a lawsuit against the defendants, accusing them of operating unlicensed exchanges, broker-dealers, and clearing agencies, among 13 charges. In a statement released on September 29th, Paradigm, who claims to have zero interest or investment in the defendants, has taken a stance against the SEC, accusing the Commission of governmental overreach. SEC wants to change the law, Paradigm says. According to Paradigm, the SEC is attempting to bypass the rulemaking process and rewrite the law, utilizing the disturbing allegations in its lawsuit against Binance and its co-defendants. The San Francisco-based research firm backs its claims by firstly stating that the SEC's prayers being granted would mean that the U.S. court accepts the Commission's theory that an investment contract does not necessarily need a contract. Paradigm states that such a theory is false, and case law clearly says that an investment contract demands a contractual agreement that promises future appreciation of an asset. In the case of cryptocurrencies, the crypto research firm says the SEC cannot provide such an agreement as there is none, especially in relation to tokens sold on secondary markets. Furthermore, Paradigm stated that a court victory for the SEC against Binance would extend the application of U.S. securities laws to all kinds of assets, including gold, silver, and artworks, which are bought with the anticipation of price appreciation, yet not viewed as investment contracts. Paradigm further emphasizes that the general hope that an asset accrues value does not create a common enterprise, a vital part of an investment contract. Rather, such optimism only represents a common interest, especially when there is no direct link between the asset issuer and secondary investor, as in the case of many crypto assets. Calls for crypto regulation continues. In its final argument against the SEC, Paradigm calls for clear crypto regulations that empower the SEC's oversight over the crypto space, a sector of growing economic and political importance. The crypto research firm believes that the SEC's reliance on the Howey test, as the 77-year-old legal test, does not provide much needed clarity to regulate a diverse crypto industry. In conclusion, Paradigm states the SEC's attempts to enforce crypto regulation through an unreasonable interpretation of investment contracts based on this legal test fail the major question doctrine, thus requiring clear congressional intervention. Our next top headline: Fireblocks acquires BlockFold to expand tokenization capabilities. Fireblocks has acquired BlockFold, a smart contract development and consulting firm that specializes in tokenization projects for financial institutions. BlockFold's expertise fills an important gap in the market, tailoring bespoke solutions for some of our most sophisticated customers and prospects in the banking and financial institutions space, Fireblocks CEO Michael Scholoff said. The $10 million acquisition will expand Fireblocks' capabilities in tokenization, including token customization, orchestration, and distribution, the firm said in an email sent to the block on Friday. Bringing BlockFold's expertise in-house means that we can better serve Tier 1 financial institutions to quickly and seamlessly bring tokenization projects into production and new assets onto the blockchain, Scholoff added. Demand for tokenization rises. Fireblocks said tokenization is reinvigorating the legacy processes used in banking and financial markets infrastructure. The digital asset technology firm said they've seen demand in tokenization projects increase by 350% between 2022 and 2023. According to Fireblocks, 75% of its Tier 1 financial institution customers are exploring tokenization. The enterprise-grade digital asset provider also cited a Boston Consulting Group report that said tokenization of financial assets on the blockchain will grow into a $16 trillion market by 2030 and will represent 10% of all financial assets. Fireblocks added it is also having conversations with more than 25 banks globally who are exploring the creation of bank-issued stablecoins or tokenized deposits. The firm projected that within the next 3 years, the value of tokenized money on the blockchain will reach $350 billion. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.